Hello, Maddy.
Hello.
We are about 5 months after your facial feminization surgery, and I would like to ask a few questions about it. The first one is, why did you want to have an FFS? What were the problems that you had?
So I was just uncomfortable with a few features of my face that I wanted to change. It was little bits that bothered me for a long time. So I just wanted to look a bit more feminine, really, and just pass every day without people, making assumptions and stuff. So I'm a lot happier now that I've had it done. So
You had many passing problems before?
Yeah, so I think beforehand people were just unsure as if I was a boy or a girl, so they'd try and look at me and couldn't really decide. So now I can walk down the street and no one really gives me a second look, they just think I'm a girl, so it's a lot better now.
Great.
Perfect.
And what was the reason you have chosen me as your surgeon?
So I read a lot online, a lot of reviews, and I watched Jamie on YouTube because she documented all of her surgery. So I did a lot of research and you kept coming up, so I was recommended a lot to come to you, so I chose to pass clinic. So I'm really happy.
Have there been any complications after the surgery?
No, nothing. Just over time, things start to come back, so I was a bit numb and stuff, along my jaw and a bit on my head, but it's slowly coming back over time. But no, not had any problems. It's all been good.
But was it very painful, the surgery?
No, not really. I'd just say it was discomfort. It wasn't really painful. It was just, you had to sleep on your back and sleep up. I like to sleep on my side, so it was hard, stuff like that. But now I've pain medication and stuff obviously helped a lot, and no, it was good. Pain-wise, wasn't in any pain really, just discomfort, I'd say.
And how long did the healing take? How long? How many weeks till you dared to?
I'd probably say after a month, I looked pretty normal again.
Yeah.
It was just a bit of bruising that, under my eyes and stuff, that wanted to stay around for a bit. But no, I'd probably say a month, and I looked pretty much okay again. But a good 2 months, and I was pretty much healed. So
you also stayed in our guest house, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Can you tell us something about that?
Yeah. So the guest house was really nice. Actually, it was very homely, and it was just like a home away from home really, because it didn't feel like a hospital really, and that was nice. And everyone was really nice there. Petra, she was lovely. She looked after me very well. And it was a really nice guest house to stay in. So all good.
If you could give yourself as you were before the surgery, give an advice. Is there anything?
Any advice to me before the surgery? Do it sooner probably if I could do. It's just changed my life a lot, and it's I don't know. Definitely do it sooner for sure. But no, I'm really happy.
I'm gonna turn to your mum. You've been there too, no?
Yeah, I'm here. Yes.
Yeah. Has it changed anything to your life as well? That Maddy had this.
That Maddy is so much happier because she's the person that she was always meant to be. So having the surgery has just literally, you've grown in confidence and you're just much happier for looking, to like she said outwardly to everybody else. She now looks so much more feminine than she did before, and you can now embrace that side of it, can't you?
Sure.
Yeah, the O2 clinic was fantastic. I didn't know what to expect when we arrived there. We were both obviously very nervous, wondering how it would be. But the setup, we had a lovely room, and the fact that the kitchen, you can go and make a cup of tea at any time that you like in the middle of the night if you can't sleep, because obviously I was concerned, especially the night before the surgery. I was really quite anxious about how it would be, because obviously 5.5 hours in theatre for your child, it's quite, I was quite uptight. So it was lovely, and Petra was so lovely. She reassured me that everything will be fine and don't worry, and I'm here if you want to talk. And because she'd been through it as well, that was really, we were sad to leave, weren't we? We were really sad, and obviously we met other people there that were going through the same. So we met a lovely person from Leeds, and we've kept in touch, and it's altogether been nothing quite. I didn't know what to expect, but it was a much nicer experience than I ever envisaged it would be. And you're just really happy, aren't you?
Definitely,
Yeah,
sure.
the way forward. So yes, do it.
Yeah.
Very nice. One last question. If someone that is interested in having surgery with us would like to contact you through email, would that be okay for you?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm
Very
happy
nice.
for that. Yeah.
Well, thank you, both of you,
Yeah,
for the
thank you.
Pleasure.
interview.
Thank you. Absolutely. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yes, you're amazing. Absolutely.
Thank you.
Fantastic.